just working in the business. Oh my god, what? Squirrel. Kakita na ako squirrel. Wala na ako na videohan. So instead na mag-antay doon sa oras ng meet up, which is 10:30, maglakad-lakad na lang muna ako dito sa neighborhood. I'm going to the Westfield Mall. So it said on the map that it's about 14 minutes walk. So marami pang oras para makabalik sa hotel, and then for the meet up at 10:30. Okay, so ganda ng simoy ng hangin, ang lamig. Ayan, kaya lang may mga at the garbage, may mga basura pa rin pala dito. Ang daming basura, oh. Kasi the birds, look at that. Yeah, it's 8 o'clock in the morning here, so I think that's still very early because not a lot of people are walking in the street. Or maybe this is normal for them, for this part of the city. Not many people are walking on the street, and somebody's jogging towards me. So yeah, there's a lot of trees. Yeah, that's why I love walking, especially in weather like this. I love walking because of these trees. Hindi po siya mainit dahil maraming kahoy, puno ng kahoy. So ayun, nakita ko na. So pagdating sa kanto, kakanan na lang tayo diretso. Nakita ko na yung mall. I'm sure it's so close because it's very early in the morning, but well, I'll just get some pictures. Carpenter's Arms, home of the hammers. Oh, okay. Kung sa Pinas merong masons, dito sa kanila merong carpenters. Home of the hammers daw. Okay. Oh, there's a bridge, so I have to cross a bridge. Maybe I can cross here. Huh? There are no cars, so maybe I can cross here. Sana walang manghuli. Ang sarap ng breakfast ko kanina, guys. Hindi ko lang talaga nakuha na picture kasi nakalimutan ko dahil diba sabi ko gutom na gutom na. Ayan eh, nagmamadali na ako makakain. So we are under the bridge right now. There's a loud sound. To continue
turn right.
Hindi nga lang, what? Turn right? What turn right? I'm going further from the mall. Dapat pala dun ako. Wala pa naman mga tao dito naglalakad. Grabe, wow! Paano to? Since this was filled already, let us see the map. Ito yung nakita ko kagabi, guys. Oh. Look at that. Ito yung umiilaw ng pula kagabi. I don't know what's that. It's some sort of a tower.